all, welcome to another vocabulary video on I Learn Korean. So today the level of difficulty for our vocab is going to be about easy to a medium, and we're going to talk about birds. So let's get started. So a bird in Korean is 새, and we'll talk a little bit about the parts of the bird and how to describe them in Korean. So wings is 날개. Feathers are 깃털. A beak or a bill is 부리. And now we'll get started with the actual names of the different types of birds in Korean. So I only included the most common type of birds for the sake of this video. So the first one we have is a swallow, which is 제비. A magpie, which is 까치. And then we have 까마귀, which is a crow. 독수리, eagle. 매 is a hawk or a falcon. 비둘기 is a dove or a pigeon. 참새 is a sparrow. 갈매기 is seagull. 기러기 is wild goose. 박쥐 is a bat. Penguin, that's another Konglish word, is a penguin. 두루미 is a crane. 공작 is a peacock. 메추라기 is a quail. 백조 is a swan. 대모의 독수리 is a vulture. And the last one we have is 칠면조, which is a turkey. And thank you so much for watching. Again, if you liked today's video, please click that like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also go join me on social media. I'm on Instagram and Twitter. And for the video coming up tomorrow, we're going to be learning about bugs and insects, so keep an eye out for that. Until then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you.